Hi, welcome to Little Bits for Life. I'm Lenka, and my husband is going to show you how to make some homemade guacamole using Epicure spices and some of the products that we sell at Epicure. So we're going to use 4 avocados. For this, ripe avocados, we're going to use a whole tomato, but we're going to make sure that we take the seeds out of it so it doesn't make the guacamole too runny. Going to use half a lime and a tablespoon of this wonderful guacamole seasoning, 1 teaspoon of the 3 onion mix from Epicure, and we're going to use a really cool knife. It's made out of porcelain, so it's super sharp and cuts beautifully. And we're going to use the Epicure juicer, which is a 2-in-1 juicer for lemons and limes. And the last thing we're going to add into our mixture is a little bit of diced cilantro. So all the spices and everything are in the Epicure blends. Alright, see you back here in a minute once we get things chopped up. We've cut everything up now. We've got it all ready to go. There's 4 avocados that have been seeded in our bowl, and we're going to start putting it all together. So first we're going to start with the guacamole seasoning. I'm going to use a tablespoon of that. It's a beautiful blend of different spices that bring out the flavors of the avocado. So we're going to use a tablespoon of that. And we're going to use a teaspoon of the 3 onion spice blend. Making this ahead of time is also preferable, as the spices are dry. So, you know, if you can make it 3-4 hours ahead, let it sit in the fridge, it's going to maximize the flavors. So next we're going to add the tomatoes. Remember, we took the seeds out of those. That's just 1 tomato. We're going to add the cilantro. There's probably about a teaspoon of cilantro in there. Depends how much you like cilantro. And there's a half a lime that we're going to add, and that gives it a little bit of a zing, plus it keeps the avocados from going brown. Now we're just going to give it a good mash up. We like it a little bit chunky, so we're not going to mash it completely. If you like it really smooth, you could always use a hand blender to smooth it all out. That is looking phenomenal. And that's pretty much it. That's all ready to go. See, it's not very soggy. That's why it's so important to take the seeds out of the tomatoes, or you can leave them out altogether. There we go. This is what our guacamole looks like now. Beautiful texture. Excellent. Enjoy. Thanks for joining us on making our guacamole using Epicure spices